Alam mo ba, na sa simpleng pagsipol, ikaw ay lumalabag sa batas? Ito ay ayon sa RA 11313 o ang Bawal Bastos Law. Ngayon, ito ay ating alamin sa pamamagitan ng tulong at kaalaman ni Attorney Duca.
What is this law about?
It's about protecting every person in the Philippines against violation of his or her safe space, including gender-based sexual harassment.
Why is it important for me as a student to understand this law?
Well, it's very important because sometimes there are people who would transgress, who would go beyond the boundaries of what's allowable, therefore violating your safe space, affecting your gender preference, and everything else. In other words, binabastos ka. So that's your protection.
What kind of campus environment makes students feel safe and respected here at the University of Makati?
Well, a campus that is conducive to learning, a campus wherein everybody is respected, free from bullying and harassment, where everybody's safe space is accorded protection and respect by everyone.
Why is respect important in maintaining safe spaces on the campus?
Because as individuals, we should know our boundaries. Despite the fact that sometimes we throw jokes, we are friends, yet there are certain boundaries that we should not transgress, that we should not go beyond. Like telling jokes, iwasan natin yung mga green jokes, yung mga jokes na nakakabastos, at saka yung bullying. All forms of bullying, those are prohibited under the Safe Spaces Act.
How would I explain the legal consequences of harassment to a fellow student in simple but accurate terms?
Well, simply put, if somebody is doing something that you think you are not comfortable, that you think is disrespectful, then you have to inform that person, and if he does not stop, you have that right to file cases, both in the school or even outside, because violation of Safe Spaces Act is a crime that carries a penalty of imprisonment or fine.